back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field, and it is a billing job. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links, if you're interested in putting the application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. So the company is Talkspace. Now, if you watch any kind of influencers on YouTube, you have probably heard about Talkspace. I've seen many people that I watch have sponsored videos, but Talkspace tries to make getting the therapy and mental health you need affordable and accessible to everyone. So I do believe it is an app you can download on your phone and connect to therapists at a very affordable price. They are looking for billing support representatives to join their billing team. Now, this is a remote position. They are hiring throughout the United States, but they want someone who can work hours based in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. So, of course, if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're basically looking for somebody to use their internal knowledge materials that they have and internal resources they have to quickly and accurately respond to claims-related frequently asked questions, provide billing assistance and explanations, create super bills, and more for the Talkspace clients. You'll educate clients on Talkspace billing and claims procedures when required, making sure you use empathy and kindness. You'll work closely with all client support teams to verify patient eligibility, review refund requests, and all of those things. You'll also help contribute to the improvement of the department by suggesting any updates to the department materials and resources. If you see resources that are out of date, you can help update them. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in some kind of accounts receivable, submitting health insurance claims through payer portals. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, but they do say a 2 or 4 year degree is highly preferred. They want somebody who has a knowledge of behavioral health terminology like CPT codes, ICD-10 diagnosis codes, those kind of things. Somebody who can follow HIPAA guidelines, have great communication skills, be highly organized and detail-oriented. If this sounds right up your alley, they're paying $21 an hour for this position. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.